Used our loose mineral jars before. This is all you need to do. Open the lid and we're going to remove the seal. And underneath there is a mesh. Now, these jars are a no mess jar. And I'll show you the little sifter stopper in the top of the lid. So this sifter stopper pushes down on this mesh. So when you are traveling or if you're someone who uses this in a makeup bag, you're not having the jar move around, building up minerals in here. So then you take the lid off, it goes everywhere. None of that happens with this particular jar. So it's a mess proof jar. And what I really love about it is this mesh is almost like an elastic. So it's very spongy. And what that does is it gives you an exact amount of minerals that you want. So all you need to do is push down with your brush, hard if you want more minerals, soft if you want less. So if you want more coverage, press down hard and it pushes the mesh down into the minerals, collects the minerals, and then it's simply swirling around. So it's no dipping and tapping that you would traditionally do with a loose product, which causes mess, not just on your clothes, but everywhere around you. So push it down for really heavy coverage, swirl and apply, or if it's light coverage, just dab it and then apply. Now, when you're wanting to refill these jars, it's so simple. All you need to do is pop your finger or something that's soft, that's not going to damage the mesh, into the mesh, push down till you feel the bottom of the jar, curl your finger underneath the black area, and you just lift it up. So you just need to use a bit of pressure. So you're pulling it this way. So all you need to do is just pop your finger, clean finger, into the mesh, feel the bottom of the jar, curl your finger underneath this black area for support, and you're going to flick this seal up and open. Now, you do need to use a little bit of force, okay? So wait till you've completely finished your product before removing that sift. Then you can tip your refill into the jar and then pop the lid back on and push it down till you hear a click and it's on securely. Now, if you want to, you can use a little bit of an alcohol or something to sterilize the inside, but loose minerals are inorganic, which means they're not living. So cross contamination or germs is highly unlikely, but you may want to give your sifter a little bit of a wash with hot soapy water just to give the mesh a clean.